Welcome back. Let's quickly get through with some earnings analysis. Mastek is on our radar on the back of its Q4 numbers. The company saw strong revenue growth, but margins moderated after 5 quarters of improvement. Ashank Desai, CEO at Mastek, joins us now. Good morning, Mr. Desai. Well, that really is the first question. We are used to seeing your margins improve. This fall in margins is a bit of a surprise, from 23.4 last quarter to 21.9 in Q4. Will that be a trend? Why did that happen?
Okay, so Lata, as you know, the COVID drew a lot of advantages of cost saving, which is about travel and salary costs, etc. But starting this quarter, we kind of caught up with the salary raises that were pending during the year. So some of this is coming out of those salary increases that were due. Second one is we are on a path of a fairly faster growth than the industry, as you see our data. And that requires certain investment before the year starts in terms of various capability building, sales and marketing. Some of it has got reflected in the margin. So those are the two things which had a little bit of impact in terms of EBITDA margins.
Okay, got that. Mr. Desai, let's also talk about the top line because, that's where there's no problem. And FY21 was a good year for you. Let's pull up the full year data as well. About a 61% growth in revenue. Tell us about FY22. Are you going to look at more acquisitions? What's the deal pipeline looking like? Where is your order book at? And what should we expect?
Yeah, so what is working extremely well for this high growth is this combination of Mastek and the acquired company that we did during the year. What's really happening is the acquired company, Evosys, is opening up so many customers for us. Like we had 160 customers this year. And on the other hand, Mastek is known for digital transformation. Last 4 or 5 years, we have started that journey much before the whole industry started moving, which is allowing us to get into these all new clients in a big way to do a digital transformation. So that's the growth strategy that we want to pursue even this year. What is really going to happen is world is going digital very fast. We all know it was anyway going fast before COVID. COVID accelerated it. And Mastek is rightly placed there because of our cloud investment in the acquisition and digital transformation story of Mastek for many, many years. We have done large projects, as you know, 10, 15 years ago at a national level in UK, for example. It was a transformative project. And we continue that tradition. And today, digital gives us that opportunity to push forward very fast. So if you look at our order book, for example, there has been tremendous increase, which is reflected in our order backlogs. If you look at our order backlog, it has grown 44% from year beginning to year end. Now, year beginning, the acquisition was already in place, by the way. It is not because of acquisition, it has gone 44%.
So
acquisition plus original Mastek.
Yeah, got it, Mr. Desai. Therefore, what kind of revenue growth are you looking at? What's
so we will continue our journey of growing faster than industry. We are fairly confident given the kind of order booking that we have done last quarter as well as whole year, and this order backlog of 44% growth over year on year gives us a tremendous confidence that we will do much better than the industry.
All right.
We do not give numbers, as you know.
Okay.
But we are very confident.
Okay. When will we hear about your CEO? It's 3 months already, isn't it? Since Mr. Evans resigned.
Yes, you are right. CEO is a very good story in the sense we have been getting best of the best talent from the industry, and which is good, but which is also making us difficult to make a choice, to be very honest. But we are kind of very close to finally selecting the CEO. But as you know, each of it takes time, and we have to find the best person, and the best person may have some time commitments, etc., etc. But we are ahead, and we have made a lot of progress. As we speak, we have interviewed most of the people.
Okay, we'll await your announcement. Thank you very much, Mr. Desai, for joining us with your quick thoughts and read through of the numbers. Okay, with that, let's invite our expert for the morning.